Welcome back. It is said that a weak foundation leads to poor results, while a strong foundation leads to positive outcome. I once experienced this in my journey as a farmer. Trust me, it wasn't easy at all. In fact, it took me back to square one. The outcome wasn't funny at all. And this is what I want to share with you all in this video. I'm sharing this so that every new and intending farmer would learn from my story. So what do I mean by weak foundation? As I said earlier, when you buy substantial or poor seed or seedlings, the result is usually disaster. Poor yield, if there would be any at all. My story was a sad one. I will never wish it for any new or intending farmer at all. Let me share my story with you all so that you will learn from my mistake. I wouldn't love you as a new farmer or intending farmer to make the mistakes I made. When I started as a new farmer then, I thought I could just walk into any shop that sells seed and buy seed or seedlings. Then there is this shop in town, so I went to the shop to purchase seeds. But before I went to the shop to buy seed, I've already prepared. I have bought my nursery trays, my potting soil, just the seed that is left. So I walk into this shop in town that sells seed as per se. After I bought the seed, I took it home, then did the necessary thing, prepared the trays, then I planted the seed. Lo and behold, I just experienced the worst. Not all seed germinated, although all seed will not germinate. Yes, I know that one, but at least let it be 50%. But in my case, it was not like that. I was shocked. Then, one funny thing is this. The little ones that germinated, they all started dying off. I was wondering what the problem is, whether it's from my end or from the seed. I don't even know where the problem was coming at first. So I was very confused. So what I did, I quickly went back to the shop. Then I laid my complaint. I told them this is what I experienced. So they asked me some questions, whether I nursed the seed, whether I did this or did that. I said yes, I did all those things. They said, they were like trying to blame me. That is my fault. Maybe I didn't do this one. I didn't water. I didn't do all these things. So I remained calm. I said, okay, let me buy the seed again. Then I bought another pack of the seed. Remember, I am wasting money. So I bought another pack of the seed, went home again, did the necessary things. Lo and behold, this time around was worst. I became tired. I was just tired and frustrated. Honestly speaking, I was tired. It made me even regret at first buying my nursery tray, my potting soil, chemicals, and I was ready. Seriously, I was ready. It was just the seed. I was totally confused and frustrated. These seeds are not even cheap. They are very costly, and this is the second time I'm buying the seeds. So I was so frustrated. I now went back to the shop for the second time. And one day, I laid my complaint this time around. I was aggressive. I was like, what is going on? What happened? Which kind of seed did you people give me? Then when the second time, yes, when I looked beside me, closer to where I was staying, I saw some of their staffs, their staffs, bringing out seeds from a pepper fruit. They were extracting the seed of a pepper fruit. I was like, how? How are they extracting the seed from a pepper fruit that I know you can buy in the market? If that was the case, I would have just go to the market and buy the fruit, the pepper fruit or tomato fruit, then extract the seed and then go and plant it. It's even better for me. But then I saw them doing this and I was confused. So when I looked beside me and saw what was going on, I was like, what is going on here? What did I just see? What is this? These people are bringing out, extracting the seed from a pepper fruit, and after they will dry it and package and go and sell. What is going on? So although I didn't say anything there, I didn't react to what I saw. So I just laid my complaint and then I left. I was angry. I have spent the money I have to buy that seed, I have spent double of it. Then I have to go back again, search for another shop, another agro shop where I can get um pepper seed that I wanted to plant that time. Then I bought from elsewhere. So at that point when I saw that, I now knew where my problem was. You know, the seed they extracting from the pepper, you can call it, in fact it's F2 seed, you know, although it will germinate, oh, but it's not going to be like the hybrid, like the F1. So anything can happen. The F2 will not, you know, carry the gene, let me put it that way, of the first filial generation. So the F2 seed is the second filial generation and will not perform well like the F1 seed. I believe that is where my problem was coming from. In a nutshell, what I'm trying to say is this: as a new farmer or intending farmer, know where you buy your seed. Be sure where you are buying your seed is from an agro shops. There are shops dedicated that sell all agro inputs, seed, seedlings, nursery tray, potting soil, fertilizers, chemicals, anything at all that has to do with agriculture, planting and the rest of them. You can get it from those shops. So as a new and intending farmer, know where you buy your seed from. I don't want you to make the mistake that I made. My mistakes, it was very bad. It's not something you should experience at all. No, I wouldn't let you experience that. That is why I am using this medium to pass this information to you. Every new intending farmers should learn from my mistake. Do not make these mistakes at all, because if you do, you will learn the hard way. It's going to be tough on you. I wasn't opportune to learn from other people concerning this. I thought then you can just, if someone say I used to sell cucumber seed, I used to sell pepper seed, you can just go and buy and plant. I was thinking that is the way. I never knew that you have to really go far, get your seed, make sure the seed you are planting is hybrid seed. I never knew all these things. I went and I bought, I planted, and it was a disaster. So I wouldn't let you pass through that mistakes. I wouldn't let you experience it. It's very brutal. If you watch up to this very moment, it means you really enjoyed this story. You really learned from my story. So don't make these mistakes. One thing I want you to do now is hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button there. Yes, I have many people viewing my videos who are not my subscribers. I wonder why you do not want to subscribe. Hit the subscribe button right now. Thank you so much. I appreciate. Also, for your quality seed and seedlings, always contact me. I will be leaving my WhatsApp number on the screen, below the screen, just below. I will leave my WhatsApp number there. You can always WhatsApp me for your seed. Also, I will leave my WhatsApp number on the description of this particular video. In fact, in all my videos, I leave my WhatsApp number on there, so you can check my WhatsApp number there and WhatsApp me. Make sure you buy your seed from an agro shop so that you do not cry. You do not experience what I experienced, because I am sharing my story today because I do not want you to experience such. Alright, I am done for this video. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button right now. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.